Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your phone and stereo. Use a phone running Android 10 or later, and make sure Android Auto is enabled in phone settings. Use a quality USB-C data cable about 1 m long for wired connections to avoid intermittent drops. Update your stereo firmware to the latest version and confirm the head unit lists Android Auto or wireless Android Auto in its feature list. Also enable Bluetooth and location on your phone before you attempt the initial connection setup. To connect wired, plug a USB-C data cable into the phone and the stereo USB port. Unlock the phone and watch for the Android Auto prompt. Accept the permissions within 30 seconds so the head unit can access navigation and media. If prompted, set Android Auto as the default car app to skip future prompts. Allow microphone and notification access so voice commands and messages work. If the connection fails, try a different cable and reboot both phone and stereo. For wireless Android Auto, confirm your head unit explicitly supports wireless Android Auto and your phone often runs Android 11 or later. Start by pairing the phone and stereo with Bluetooth, then enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi on the phone if prompted by the head unit for faster connections. Follow the on-screen pairing flow and accept wireless connection permissions. If you experience dropouts, clear the Android Auto app cache, disable USB debugging in developer options, or reboot the phone and stereo to restore a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.